Welcome to Class 3, Lecture 3. This lecture will focus on starting of the code efforts for our machine learning support classes. ZCL_ML_model, which implements operations models guided by different algorithms. ZCL_activation_functions, which implements a series of activation functions alongside their first partial derivative with respect to the interested variable. As this is the introduction of the topic, the lecture is just a bit over 2 minutes, so let's delve into it. At the moment, the activation class contains 15 methods, where one of these do not have a partial derivative and therefore is absent. 8 different functions mostly used by data scientists to purify and apply convolution to datasets is present, and if we get suggestions from the public to implement others, we will do so as time permits. The code is now uploaded to Patreon and available for subscribers via the link below. The model class depicts the starting point of the coding efforts. Note the presence of the sigmoid in its derivative as well as ReLose. This class is not yet hooked to the main support, and it is being tested at the moment with datasets of the order of 1,000 features. Several different activation functions are present and functional, including some exoteric ones normally absent from the viewport of a data scientist, being an ABAP or not. The plan for the model class, once implemented, is to host a series of model type classes to perform the list of algorithms being shown at the slide. The starting one is, of course, stochastic gradient descent, which is the easiest from the point of view of coding and debugging. Once we are done with supervised learning, we can move to more sophisticated models. For external representations, we will leverage mostly Python. As we are mostly interested in data residing in S/4HANA, our initial tests are being conducted using data from order to cash, order to pay, as well as billing and invoicing. For the sake of debugging, we are using smaller datasets with values we already calculated via Python and are now being tested in ABAP. Our next lecture will be much longer than 2 minutes and will be a deep dive into the ABAP machine learning code. Until then, do not forget to subscribe and give us a like to support our project. As mentioned, the code is now available at Patreon and the link is right below.